The world of traditional transportation is shifting towards a technological transition. Many companies are finding the need to retrain their workforce. They turn to the experts. Excel Driver Services and SimTech simulators combine to offer a revolution in the world of automotive training. In the past, a real-world application of technique was the only option to improve a driver's ability or certify their skill. While real-world experience can't be beat, our simulators come close. Utilizing an immersive environment, including realistic visual projection in combination with simulated motion, we can provide a driver with a variety of virtual scenarios, each designed to give them the tools they need to become proficient in the required skill set. Whether you're in law enforcement, a first responder, or drive a fire truck, bus, or a semi, we have the right cab for the job. Students have the ability to train themselves in dozens of different vehicles, in any situation they may encounter on the road, and all types of weather, all in a no-consequence setting. These simulators, paired with our trusted trainers, present an efficient solution for initial training or retraining of a workforce. Hands-on, real-life training cannot be replaced. Once a student runs the gamut in our simulation program, we use our on-site vehicles to train and test their knowledge on the real thing. Detailed online courses allow us to remotely review a student's progress and assess if they are ready for the next step in our Drive Prodigy program. Here at Excel, our focus is on the future of transportation and safety. We're proud to be leading the next generation of drivers.